my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up and chase you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it, doing it. Let them respect you for.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This look was inspired by St. Vincent Independence Day, and I wasn't quite too sure about the lips, so I went from the very bold lips to my nude lips as I normally do, which is safe. I started off by doing my brows, which I didn't do in here, but I used the L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, and I also used the Technic pencil in black. And as you guys know, anytime I do any look that's inspired by the Caribbean or for the Caribbean, I always go in and use my Color Me Caribbean palette from Posh Cosmetics. So now I'm just packing on Island Gem, and I'm just taking that slightly above my crease, and I am packing it on, and then I'm going to blend out the edges ever so slightly. Once I'm finished that, I'm going to go in with Paradise, and I am just packing that on right on top of the edges of the blue, just to create that green shade. As we know, yellow and blue makes green. Just to give my brow bone a little highlight, I'm going in with Walking Trophy, and that's literally just under the brow. Next, I'm going in with my micellar water, and I'm just taking that and cleaning up the excess blue just before I cut my crease with the white base, only because I don't want it to be mixed and become blue, because the yellow will not stand out as much on a blue base. Then from here on out, it's literally just repetition. I will be following the same steps that I did first here, and then I'll cut the crease again, and then I'll do that again. Just to let you guys know right here, this is actually a clean brush that I'm using to blend that yellow and that blue together to create the green shade. So now we get into the flag, and I'm just drawing the flagpole right here, and then I'll go on to doing the flag. So just to say, in the flag I drew all of it with a black eyeliner pencil. This one is from Wet n Wild, and I used the Louise Base 0 to go over all that area where I wanted the shades to stand out from the flag. So I went in for the flag, I went in with Paradise, then Island Gem, then Reggae, Then for my little dots, I used micellar water, created the diamond shapes, not dots, and then I went in with reggae on top of that as well. So I wasn't too sure what I wanted to do with my lips. I wanted to do a nude lip at first, and then I thought, go bold girl. So I got the NYX Jumbo pencil in white, and then I went back in with the Color Me Caribbean palette, and I used Island Gem and Paradise to create the lips. At this point I'm thinking, I really don't know, but I'm gonna go nude. So I went from bold here, which, you know, doesn't look too bad in my opinion, but I went to nude because nude is safe, and I really prefer nude lips than bold lips. But there you go. That's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment sections, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.